Yo, what's up, YouTube? I'm gonna show you how to cheat on Make It Rain. So, I'm filming on my iPhone to my iPod, playing on my iPod. If you noticed from my other videos. Alright, so what you wanna do is you wanna get as big a capacity bucket as you can. And then, what the hell? Oh. Alright, so now you're gonna wanna go to settings, go to general, date and time. See the set automatic right here? Turn that off. Now, you're gonna wanna go to the time, put it forward. Let's just put it 2 days for now. Go back to Make It Rain. Go back to your bucket. Go back here. Put it ahead 2 days. Back to bucket. Alright, so now you go here. Oh shoot. Get as big as a bucket you can. A few days. And then see how it didn't fill up all the way. Go up a few more days. See, now it's like pretty much there. And then so you're also gonna want to buy the capacity, like the per second, so it doesn't take as long, or per hour. I'll buy that. Alright, so we're gonna just keep doing this over and over. Oh yeah, shoot. You see how much I started out with? It was like in the hundreds. It was like 700 or something. Go up a few days. Hang on. Alright. A few more times. And then click your bucket. Alright. Now. See this capacity. I don't want to for that. There we go. Oops. See a few more times. Go up. And 31K right there. Now, you're gonna do that. You don't even have to go that far. I don't know why I did. But it doesn't matter. Dun, dun, dun. Come on. Did it really just freeze? Oh, that's an ad. Alright. Now, you get the capacity. Wait for it to say today. Oops. Collect 200K. Now you can and now I have the $100. Who needs to swipe when you can do that? When you can do this. I don't know. Let's see, 300K. I'll buy this. See, alright. So that's it for this video. Subscribe for more videos. And I'll update another video in a few days. Or tomorrow. Alright. See you.